We took a scenic one-hour coastal catamaran cruise from Cape Town's V&A Waterfront to the historic Green Point Lighthouse. The leisurely journey offers panoramic views of the city's skyline and the iconic Table Mountain, providing a unique perspective from the Atlantic Ocean. The departure point is at Shop 5, Quay 5, V&A Waterfront, adjacent to Sevruga Restaurant. You can see along the coastline, especially from the vantage point of a boat tour Table Mountain, towering over the city, Cape Town's most iconic backdrop, and you'll see it from nearly every angle along the coast. Adjacent to Table Mountain, you will see Lion's Head and Signal Hill, and these peaks provide a striking silhouette, especially at sunrise or sunset. And then, 12 Apostles Mountain Range, a series of rugged cliffs stretching south from Table Mountain along the Atlantic Seaboard, forming a dramatic barrier between the sea and the city. In regards of beaches, three important ones: Clifton Beaches, 4 beautiful coves, each with white sand and granite boulders, popular with locals and tourists alike. Camps Bay, a trendy beachside neighborhood with palm trees, beach cafes, and panoramic ocean views. Sea Point Promenade, a long oceanfront path perfect for walking, cycling, or jogging, with sculptures, tidal pools, and panoramic sea views. The V&A Waterfront is a bustling harbor area with luxury yachts, ferries, and cruise vessels. It blends maritime industry with shops, restaurants, and hotels, and the Green Point Lighthouse is the oldest operational lighthouse in South Africa, built in 1824, painted with red and white stripes, visible from the water. Marine life and ocean features includes Cape fur seals, commonly spotted on rocks and near the harbor entrance. Dolphins, frequently seen playing in the surf or swimming alongside boats. Southern right whales, seen during the winter months from June to October along the False Bay and Atlantic coasts. Kelp forests, especially visible near the rocky shores of the Cape Peninsula. Shipwrecks and reefs. Cape Town's history includes several shipwrecks, and tours sometimes point these out along the coast. Cape Town's coastline is a breathtaking blend of raw natural beauty, vibrant urban life, and diverse ecosystems, making it a must-explore destination whether by boat, car, or foot.